There are a bunch of stories in the Bible that most folks have a hard time believing, like the story of the Jordan River politely stopping so Joshua and the Jews could cross into the Promised Land. Who's going to believe that? It defies the laws of physics. Water flows downhill. The Jordan River drains into the lowest spot on Earth, the Dead Sea, the drainage pit of the Middle East. It's a quarter of a mile below sea level. Here's the shocker. The Jordan River has stopped before. Many times. Most recently in 1956, but most remarkably in 1927. That's when it stopped at the very spot the Bible says it stopped for Joshua, at a city called Adam. The Bible says the Jewish refugees were following behind some priests who were leading the way carrying Israel's most sacred relic. It was the Ark of the Covenant. That was a gold-covered chest that held the Ten Commandments. Here's what the Bible says happened next. As soon as the feet of the priests who were carrying the ark touched the water at the river's edge, the water above that point began backing up a great distance away at a town called Adam. Let's put that on a map. The Jews were camped at Acacia Grove in what is now the Arab country of Jordan. If they walked west toward a popular crossing point in the river, a shallow ford which is a bit like a sandbar, that would have put them about 20 miles south of the ruins of Adam. Adam was on Jordan's side of the river, not Israel's side. The Arabic name for the ruin is a similar sounding name. It's Edomia. And here's where the Bible story starts to make sense. The Jordan River runs along a fault line. Two plates of the Earth's crust are moving in the same direction but at different speeds. When their edges grind into each other, earthquake. In 1927, an earthquake shook loose the 150-foot-high cliffs near the ruins of Adam. They crashed into the river and dammed it up for 21 hours. This is a photo of cliffs hovering above the river several years before the quake. Some wonder if that's what happened in Joshua's day, that there was an earthquake. If so, some would speculate, the quake and its aftershocks may have brought down the walls of Jericho as well. Lots of Christians have trouble with this theory because they say it diminishes God, it robs him of his supernatural power. Others disagree, and they say God made the laws of physics and he doggone well knows how to use them.